The clinic's been around since the 1940s. A lot of our equipment needs better internet, faster internet. We also have voice over internet protocol phones now, and those phones needed faster download and upload speeds. The amount of data going in and out on those phones, the internet service that we had before was no longer capable of handling that load. We needed to invest in a fiber optic internet.
The nice thing about fiber is it can be done overhead, aerial, off poles, or else it can be done in a ductwork of underground. So you have different options depending on what your needs are. The best thing about fiber optics is it will probably meet all the foreseeable future needs for bandwidth wise and higher speeds.
Experience was good. Visionary contacted us. We determined which service would be best for this clinic based on requirements of our voice over internet protocol phone system. And knowing that, then Greg Worthen was able to tell us which one would work best for us. And they set up an install date and they were right on time. We got it installed. With the new fiber optic, our calls are coming in clear. You can hear better. We have less static. There's less downtime, and it was pretty seamless.
And one of the things that businesses these days should think about with fiber to their business is what's going to happen next year or 2 years from now. There's so many things going to cloud-based, point of sale systems and things like that that are pertinent to these businesses. So you have a situation where they need that good connectivity, and over the next year, 2 years, 5 years, you're going to see the demand for those services and for that bandwidth need going up.
Visionary Fiber will change your business. Give us a call at 888-682-1884.